If you're trying to level up in DevOps, you need more than just tools and techniques. You also need to read widely. These 7 books are widely acclaimed and guaranteed to make you a smarter, faster DevOps engineer. Michael here from KodeKloud, and today we'll count down the 7 essential books that will transform your approach to DevOps. By the end of this video, you'll have a reading list that puts you ahead of your peers. Plus, stick around till the end and I'll share one tip to help you devour each of these books in just 15 minutes. Coming in hot at number 7 is the DevOps Adoption Playbook by Sanjeev Sharma. If you're stepping into DevOps leadership, especially in a company with an immature IT practice, this book is your golden ticket. It's like having a mentor in your back pocket, helping you to assess readiness, create a DevOps roadmap, and measure success. You get theory and practical frameworks that you can put to work immediately. Don't even think about taking on a leadership role without reading this first. Next up is Effective DevOps, Building a Culture of Collaboration, Affinity, and Tooling at Scale. This is by Jennifer Davis and Ren Daniels. Let's be real. DevOps isn't just about tools, it's about people. And at some point in your career, you're going to deal with all kinds of people. This book is your roadmap to building a strong DevOps culture that thrives no matter who you're working with. It covers collaboration, empathy, creating effective teams, promoting communication, and navigating change. Book number 5, Site Reliability Engineering, How Google Runs Production Systems. This is by Betsy Bayer, Chris Jones, Jennifer Batoff, and Niali Richard Murphy. You ever wonder how Google manages its massive systems? This book is like a backstage pass to their operations. It's not strictly a DevOps book, but the insights are pure gold. It talks about managing large-scale systems, embracing risk, automation, and fostering a culture of continuous learning. Moving on to book 4, The Unicorn Project by Gene Kim. If you're serious about DevOps, you know who Gene Kim is. This book is the sequel to a book that's holding the top spot on my list, but more on that later. Ever heard of the 5 ideals of DevOps? It's all in here. Go on, read it, and learn how to beat common development obstacles. Almost there. Let me show you the last 3 books in less than 2 minutes. Third on the list is Accelerate, The Science of Lean Software and DevOps. This is by Nicole Forgenson, Jess Humble, and you guessed it, Gene Kim. Now, I know data-driven is an overused buzzword, but when it comes to DevOps, you just can't avoid it. This book is all about the metrics that matter in high-performing IT organizations. It gives you the insights you need to measure and improve your DevOps practices. So if you're serious about making data-driven decisions in relation to DevOps and DevOps practices, this book is your ultimate guide. Now let's meet the queen herself. Number 2 is the DevOps Handbook by Gene Kim, Jez Humble, Patrick Dubois, and John Willis. This book is all about action. No fluff here. Knowing DevOps principles is one thing, but implementing them is where the real challenge is. Packed with case studies, actionable advice, it contains everything you need to implement smoothly. If you got this far, congratulations. The number 1 must-read is The Phoenix Project. This is by Gene Kim, Kevin Baer, and George Spafford. The Unicorn Project is written from a developer's perspective, and that was early in our list. But this book, The Phoenix Project, offers an organizational view. Buckle up, because this book will take you on a roller coaster ride through a fictional IT transformation. Imagine watching Botched on E, only this time it's a DevOps makeover in action. You'll learn about the 3 ways of DevOps and how to apply them in real-world scenarios. You'll never look at IT operations the same way again. That's a wrap for today, folks. But wait, I promised you something more, and it's right here. If you're wondering how to read all these books quickly, here's the killer tip. Check out the summary notes and the infographics on our blog. You will grasp all the concepts in less than 15 minutes. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, hit subscribe for more DevOps insights, and don't forget to drop a comment below. Let me know which of these books you've read, which ones were the most inspirational, and check out the latest DevOps certifications at KodeKloud.com to get certified today.